This is test number 3 of 0.6mm gold wire on as-fired DuPont 951 LTCC at 30,000 RPM and a surface feed rate of 45mm per minute. We're using an X to Z feed ratio of 80. In other words, we're traveling 10mm of the surface, and we are depositing 0.125mm in the Z. So we're plunging 0.125mm in the Z to try and create constant downforce. So, without further ado, I'm going to start the spindle and start the deposition. Contact. I don't think it's going to be conductive, but we'll see. Looks kind of oxidized. Nope. Nothing. Video is off.